Good afternoon. You're coming from Tampa Bay regional weather. My counties I include are Pasco, Pinellas, Hillsborough, and Manatee County. This is your weather forecast for overnight tonight and into tomorrow. And we're going to just take a sneak peek for Tuesday because there's a upcoming change coming in for Tuesday with possible severe storms. I will keep you updated with that through the X, through Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And if I can, I might go live too as well. So that's coming up for Tuesday. Then we have another chance of showers and thunderstorms with heavy rainfall, some gusty winds coming up for Saturday, late Friday night into Saturday. So that's the upcoming weather events. So we're going to get right into the forecast for Monday, January the 8th, 2024. Now this is your overnight forecast for tonight. Temperatures upper 40s north to low 50s south with mostly cloudy skies. And we have winds from the north and east at 17 miles an hour. And as you will see later in the forecast, the winds are going to increase, especially late tomorrow night into Tuesday. We're going to have the southeast wind to south winds. It's going to bring up that warm air, approaching in the mid 70s. And that's going to help fuel some of the thunderstorms. We'll be on the strong side. This is Sunday night. This is our recap for just this last Saturday. As you can see, northern Pinellas, not as much rain, but in South Pinellas, we had over 2 to 4 inches of rain. General 2 to 4 inches of rain in our Tampa Bay regional area. And the heaviest rain was in South Pinellas with almost 4 inches of rain Saturday afternoon. Lighter amounts. Here in our weather center at the Tampa Bay Regional Weather Center, we had a 0.74, almost an inch of rain Saturday. This is the actual front. It's coming through today. We had some scattered showers earlier today that will be moving south, and as you can see later in the forecast, it's going to be mostly south of us, with that front stalling down to the south of us. So these are areas of light and showers. This is our satellite view. There's that area of rain stretching all the way out in the Gulf, all the way to the east coast of Florida. That front will drift south, bringing in that north winds. So the temperatures for today is going to be struggling to get up into the lower 60s for today. Currently we're sitting at like 62 degrees right now. So that is going to be a struggling for us to get up to anything past 64, 65 degrees. And there's that area of rain, and it's mostly south of us, and it will stay mostly south of us today. This is our Tampa Bay regional weather, and this is our Monday, January the 8th, 2024 forecast. Out the door, Monday morning at 7 a.m. for your Tampa Bay regional. Now, take and remind you that tomorrow, all the school systems will be back in the Tampa Bay regional, back to school in classes. So just a reminder that we had that short break from them for the holiday season, Christmas break, reminding that the school zones will be active tomorrow. So just take it easy as you're going into the school zone areas. And this is out your door forecast. We're going to have temperatures in the morning upper 40s to lower 50s. That's an overnight going into early Monday morning's forecast at 7. And we're going to have mostly cloudy skies. And your winds are going to be generally from the 9 from the night from the northeast at 9 to 17 miles an hour with some higher gusts. This is our mid-morning forecast. Our temperature is going to slowly rise into the mid to upper 50s with cloudy skies. And your winds are going to be from 10 to 18 miles an hour with some higher gusts. That's preceding that next front coming in for Tuesday. This is your afternoon forecast. We're going to be low to mid 60s with partly cloudy skies, and your winds are going to be from the east at 10 to 22 miles an hour, and that's going to be with some higher gusts too as well. This is your evening forecast. Continuing mid 60s with partly cloudy skies, and your winds are going to be from the east, and then late tomorrow night, we're going to winds shifting from to the southeast, and they're going to be 15 to 25 miles an hour with some higher gusts. So that is definitely head of that front, and it's going to bring in some of that warm air from the south, and that's what's going to contribute to our showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday. This is provided by the Severe Prediction Center, and as you can see over here, a wide swath, especially in the Tampa Bay area, but all over the state of Florida, with the margin of rest south of us for Tuesday. And this is mainly Tuesday afternoon with damaging winds, some hail, some tornadoes. So we need to pay closely attention to upcoming watches and warnings. And if there's any warnings, we need to take heed and do the proper precautions so we can be safe during that. And if you do report any severe storms or anything related to your local National Weather Service, this is by the National Weather Service. So they got us at a 2, and there's possibly 5, 2 out of 5. So this was as earlier today when I made my forecast. This is, like I said, this severe weather alert is for Tuesday afternoon. Now you can see, this is Tuesday afternoon, and you can see it's going to be rough all along the Tampa Bay area, all the way from Jacksonville to Gainesville to Daytona. Orlando's not in on it yet. Tampa is, Sarasota is, and Cape Coral is just on the edge of it. But this whole line will be moving south Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening, with our greatest threat will probably be around 4 p.m. in our general area. And that will be the maximum of the heating of the day. So we'll have the heating of the day, and then if we do get some sun peeking in throughout the clouds and stuff, that would make it more destabilization for severe storms. So we got to be on the watch out for that for Tuesday. I'm your lead forecaster. I'm Jeffrey A. Gentry, and I want to thank you for watching our YouTube channel. I will see you tomorrow evening, and then I'll go in depth for Tuesday's forecast if there's any major changes and stuff. If there's any major changes before that, I will let you know through X, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. You have a great day, have a great evening. I will see you tomorrow evening for Tuesday's forecast in depth, and we will go over the possibilities of what's going to take place. Have a great day.